Human beings inherently are connected to nature, and it is the root cause of all inspirations, as we are inspired for the promising apparel industry of Bangladesh. It is now the single biggest export earner and accounts for 82% of the country's total export earnings. In the process of developing the working environment, the safety inspection by national and international experts found 98.94% are safe and need some corrective actions. Several training programs are also in play round the year on occupational safety and health issues for a safe working environment. Garment factories are going green in phasing with eco-friendly technologies to meet a growing global demand for green products. Amongst the 10 world's highest-rated LEED-certified factories, 4 factories originated from Bangladesh. Most garment factories practice corporate social responsibility, such as fair price shop for workers, daycare, employment of disabled workers, and so on. Bangladesh Garment Manufacturers and Exporters Association (BGMEA) also runs 12 health centers and a hospital, 26 training centers for workers' skill development, and 5 schools for workers' children education. The government also took steps of creating Workers' Welfare Fund, where the industry would contribute 0.03% of the total export value, which is approximately $10 million per year now. Catering in all major apparel markets of the world, the industry is diversifying its product range like suit, lingerie, sportswear, swimwear, etc. After coming a long way, Bangladesh is now ready to take the $50 billion export challenge to meet by the end of the year 2021. Bangladesh is now ready with people, enthusiasm, dedication and commitment.